Hi, I'm Christian Amelli from Mike Perry Real Estate, and today I bring you this much loved 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home here in 78 Daniels Road in Redwood. This home offers an open-plan, modern kitchen, dining and living, heated by a heat pump and log burner with a transfer system offering warmth and comfort throughout. The secure, fully fenced section offers excellent outdoor living in multiple locations around the home and gives family, friends and pets options whatever the weather or occasion. Then adding to your investment is the freestanding double garage and ample off-street parking. The owners are committed to their next move and are ready to pass their family home on to the next lucky owners. I look forward to meeting you at the open home.